Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of automatically terminating old Telegram sessions if inactive for a year. By following these simple steps, you can enhance the security of your Telegram account. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Locate the Telegram icon and tap on it to launch the application. Step 2. Once the app is open, look for the 3 stacked lines in the top left corner of the screen. This icon represents the menu. Tap on it to access the Telegram menu options. Step 3. Inside the menu, you'll find various settings. Look for and tap on Settings to access the Telegram settings menu. Step 4. Within the settings menu, navigate to Devices and tap on it to proceed. Step 5. Scroll down the Devices section until you find the option Automatically terminate old sessions. Tap on it to continue. Step 6. Now, you'll see different time options. Select 1 year to enable the automatic termination of old sessions after being inactive for a year. Enabling this feature ensures that if you are inactive on Telegram for a year, any old sessions will be automatically terminated, providing an added layer of security for your account. By following these steps, you can easily set up Telegram to automatically terminate old sessions and maintain the security of your account. Remember, it's important to regularly review and manage your connected devices and session activity to ensure the ongoing security of your Telegram account. We hope you found this full guide on how to automatically terminate old Telegram sessions if inactive for a year helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. We're here to help you. Thank you for watching, and enjoy a secure Telegram experience.